Dunes. We're trying something fun today with rusty recovery gear. We've seen a lot of videos online of people using their winches to make a zip line from a dune to a dune. So we decided we want to try it over here in South Africa. So we're in the dunes now. It's all going to be experimental, so we don't know exactly how we're going to make it work. We've got a pulley or a zip line pulley thing. We've got an extension rope. We've got 2 vehicles with winches. So we're going to try out our very first dune here. We think the angle we've got and the steepness we have is correct, but let's see. It's all experimental. We're going to play around and see if we can make the very first zip line in South Africa in the dunes using our winches.
Jy het my kop reg ingesit hè. Alright, well let's see how this is going to work.
We don't have a plan for stopping yet, but plan A is that the slack in the line will be enough that I'll touch the sand before I reach the end. Plan B is we use a glove and you grab behind everything. So from the start you can control your speed, but you'll need a glove because otherwise you're going to burn your hands going down. That's the plan, but plan A, just send it and see what happens. Ow, it's hot.
Los hom, laat hy gaan.
I don't know, how am I going to stop? There we go.
That's very short.
This is going to be a full send, attempt number 2. Ow. Woo! That's fun. Terrifying, but fun. How's that?
I'm busy taking apart the 2 winch extensions we've got so that we can join the 2 of them to get some extra length out. Reckon this is what both are 25 meters, so it's going to give us more or less 50 meters, which I reckon will be just a lekker length. This line should have a, well, it's a worn and a Runva line joined together. So our line is 10 mil, which is 10 tons braking strength. That is probably 9 mil, so it's around about 7.5 ton braking strength, or 8 ton, I think. So the line itself is strong enough. It's just a matter of the splicing is also strong enough.
Hello.
So we're having plenty of fun here on the dunes, and while we were out here, some of the kids came along and they also wanted to get on the zip line. So a few of them has already been down, and yeah, like a fun out here. So pretty happy with how this whole setup is working. But for the small kids, we're now going to just put the harness on, see if they will fit in the harness and try and make it safe for them. But their parents are here, so it's at their own risk, but they're enjoying themselves, so like a fun. All right, so this is the harness we're using, just to make it a little bit more fun and safe for the kids, so they don't have to hold it with their hands. And he just went down. He was nervous at first, and then he went down and he wants to go again, which means it was a success. All right, how was that?
I think it was a very successful day. We started off with a shorter line and then found that it was a bit, not too short, I think it was actually quite fine, but we wanted a longer line, so we
made a longer line.
Yeah, made a double the length line, and everyone enjoyed it. We had quite a big group of people rock up here to try it. Everyone tried it. We had some kiddies rock up here in our family with some small kids. They wanted to go, so we put the harness on for them for extra safety, and they also loved it going down here, the parents and the kids.
Yeah, I guess that was part of the whole plan, was to try and get this going. If it works, bystanders will come by and they'll give it a go. So I mean, kids and parents all went and had fun. So maybe we can make up a zip line 4x4 kit for other people as well.
Yeah, sounds good. The whole point of this today was to experiment. I think it was a successful one.
Yeah, no, I think it was good.
We'll now find better dunes or other areas we can experiment it on, steeper, more slack, less slack.
Yeah, and I don't think you have to overthink it, but safety-wise, you do have to make sure you have a thick enough line, because people don't understand how much force actually goes into these lines.
I mean, when you were pulling tight on the line, you were actually pulling my car forward.
Yeah.
That's a lot of
so you need to anchor it properly. We did use some ChatGPT for some math to work out how much tension would be in the lines at this distance, and we are well within that limit.
What is it for interest sake? Isn't it 2 to 3 tons you said? 2 to 3,
or actually 4 tons per vehicle if you have a 100 kilogram mass and a 30 meter line in the middle deflecting 1 meter. But we're safe, we're deflecting 2-3 meters. So I think the winch isn't stalling. So I'm guessing we're doing about 2 ton per vehicle at this stage.
But it's still a lot. You wouldn't think that looking at these lines.
No, you wouldn't. And also, if you can see the line, if you have more slack, then there's less tension in the line. And you can see Dieter is going to try and do a line walk. Well, careful if it shoots up. But yeah, guys, it was fun. Dieter?
Yeah, thank you. It was a fun one.
Thank you very much.
We'll do it again.
We've got something else planned.
A few things.
One of them involves kinetic ropes and watermelons.
Keep tuned.
All right, cheers guys. Apparently, if you drive a Hilux, you open up your bonnet quite often, especially if your name is Dieter. Sorry, Dieter. I didn't mean that in a bad way. I know you had your engine issues before. But, yeah, bonnet up is not an everyday occurrence, eh? Don't worry, he's just getting to his winches.